How y'all doing out there? This is David Kachalon. Wanted to give you a little bit of a train update, train helper. You really want to take this to the next level, you got to use a metronome. If you want to get it up to the highest speed possible, you really want to use a metronome and be able to stay within the lines. You got to think of the metronome as the lines on the road. We just want to stay within those lines, no matter how fast or how slow we're going. So, very, very important you understand. I get quieter as I speed up. I make sure my body is in sync with my breathing. I also make sure that I'm using my nose to push out extra air to stay low in my breathing range. And most importantly, the exhale breaths are louder than the inhale breaths. So the same amount of sustain, but they're just louder. So when you're playing your train, you always want to start slow. And I can go really quiet and not break the groove. Watch. And that's because I'm phasing it into my nose. I can put it all through my mouth, or I can start to add it to my nose in little teeny increments. Watch. So I can use this to get low in my volume because I'm pushing out my nose. You never can stop moving either. If you stop moving, you will lose all of that push. You don't want to break the groove. That's a really, really big one. So with the metronome, I'm going to set it at 70. I want to do 4 breaths per beat. So out, out, in, and out, out, in, and out, out, in, and out, out, in, and you really want to get in sync with this. If it helps you, get the metronome close to your ear. Make sure you're coming down on the beat. I'm accentuating that exhale breath. I'm making it louder, not longer. Do it with me at 70. Out, out, in, and out, out, in, and out, out, in, and out, out, in. Out, out, in, and out, out, in, and out, out, in, and out, out, in, and let's put it to 80. Out, out, in, and out, out, in, and out, out, in, and out, out, in, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it together. Nice. Let's go to 90. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you can't say it, you ain't gonna be able to play it. Do it with me. Out, out, in, and out, out, in, and out, out, in. There's no difference between me playing it and me going. You want that breathing to be solid, whether the harp's in your mouth or not. So you can play this at any speed and slowly make it go faster every day. You'll hardly notice it. Here's 120. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, out, in, and out, in, and out, in, and out, in. Here's 140. Here's 160. been able to get it about 180, 190. That's my ceiling right now. 1. Can't even count that fast. That's 4 breaths per click. I don't expect you to be able to do it at 180. You got to start slow. Start at 60, start at 70. If you just make it go up a little bit every day, you're going to have big gains. So, metronome, moving with the rhythm, getting the metronome close to your ear, feeling the downbeat, making sure the exhale breath is bigger, trying to get quieter as you speed up. You got to envision that train for long whistles. I don't want to hear those short whistles. Give me 7 seconds. So everybody out there, I hope this is helpful. If you have questions, do let me know. You can reach me at davidkachalon@gmail.com. Hope you dig it. Bye, y'all.